The luxury automaker Genesis has officially unveiled the new GV90, its first full-size three-row SUV and the largest vehicle in its lineup. The GV90 will be available in two versions, the standard GV90 and the more luxurious GV90 Neolun. The Neolun model features Genesis's new Neolun Arch Gate, which replaces the traditional B-pillar with a hidden structural design. It also has independently opening coach-style doors, giving the SUV a more stylish and upscale look. Genesis took strong inspiration from traditional Korean design when creating the exterior of the GV90. The company says the SUV's shape and smooth surfaces are inspired by the moonjar, a traditional Korean ceramic vessel known for its simple and elegant design. At the front, the GV90 features Genesis' familiar two-line lighting design. It also gets new wing-face micro-lens array, MLA, headlights that are smoothly built into the body. Below the headlights is a large grille with Genesis G matrix pattern. The GV90 is a large SUV, measuring 208.1 inches long. Depending on the trim, it comes with 22 or 24-inch forged wheels. The rear features flush-mounted taillights for a clean and modern look. Genesis will offer 16 exterior colors, including 13 gloss finishes and 3 matte options. The GV90 offers 5 standard interior color combinations, while the Neolun version has its own 5-color selection. Inside, Genesis uses premium materials such as natural wood, real stone, wool cashmere, and leather. The most impressive feature is found on the GV90 Neolun. Its Neolun Arch Gate uses hidden B-pillars and coach-style doors that open separately. This creates a large opening between the front and rear doors. Genesis also developed a new dual-motion hinge for the rear doors. The doors first move slightly outward and then swing open, allowing them to open without hitting the front doors. The GV90 has a 127.8-inch wheelbase and a completely flat floor, giving passengers more space inside. The GV90 Neolun can also be configured with 4 seats for a more luxurious experience. In a first for Hyundai and likely a rare feature in the auto industry, the Neolun's front seats can electronically rotate 180 degrees when the SUV is parked. The cabin is also filled with advanced technology. A 23.6-inch OLED display works as the main instrument and infotainment screen while driving. When the vehicle is parked, the screen rises 90 millimeters and expands to 24.6 inches for watching videos and other content. The SUV also features a huge 25.0-inch head-up display instead of a traditional instrument cluster. The GV90 is also the first Genesis model to feature Playos Connect, Hyundai's new infotainment system based on Android Automotive. The GV90 also offers plenty of traditional luxury features. The seats have 15 individual air cells and a pulse vibration feature that provides a massage. The 4-seat GV90 Neolun Executive Suite takes luxury even further. It features a real wood floor in the second row with radiant heating, a privacy partition, roll-up window shades, and a built-in refrigerator. It also has a large 6-zone smart vision roof that can change its level of transparency. The GV90 is built on an all-electric platform called EMP, which Genesis developed for its flagship models. It uses a large 123.5 kilowatt-hour battery, making it the biggest battery ever fitted to a Hyundai Motor Group EV. Genesis estimates that the 7-seat GV90 can travel about 500 kilometers, or around 311 miles in the US on a single charge. Using a 350 kilowatt DC fast charger, the battery can go from 10 to 80% in a claimed 22 minutes. The GV90 is powered by electric motors at the front and rear, producing a combined 657 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. It is also the first Hyundai Motor Group vehicle to use dual electronic limited-slip differentials, with one on each axle. Genesis says this system improves traction on slippery roads and helps keep the SUV stable when taking corners at high speeds. The GV90 also features a multi-chamber air suspension, electronically controlled dampers, and rear wheel steering. The rear wheels can turn by up to 5 degrees, which Genesis says helps the large SUV achieve a turning circle similar to that of a midsize car.